Gentlemen, if you're still taking zinc supplements every night hoping they'll boost your blood flow, improve your performance, or help you feel like yourself again, you need to pause for a moment and listen carefully. What I'm about to share could completely change the way you think about male vitality after 50. I'm Dr. Sofia, a board-certified urologist, and for over a decade I've helped men restore their sexual health, energy, and confidence. Recently, something important came out of men's health research that challenges a lot of old advice. A 4-year study followed more than 3,000 men over the age of 50, and the results were surprising. Men who relied mainly on supplements, especially zinc tablets, did not get the benefits they expected because most of what they took wasn't properly absorbed. Meanwhile, men who focused on the right natural foods experienced significantly better blood flow, more stable hormone levels, and stronger morning performance. In fact, their results were up to 82% better. Even more interesting, one specific natural approach helped restore normal morning response in the majority of participants within just 8 weeks. No pills, no hormone therapy, no expensive treatments, just consistent nutrition. And what really stood out was that timing mattered just as much as the food itself. Now let's talk about why zinc alone often fails. Many men feel like they're doing everything right. They take supplements daily, expecting improvements in testosterone and circulation, but nothing changes. The reason is simple. After the age of 50, your digestive system changes. Stomach acid levels decline, which makes it harder to break down and absorb hard mineral tablets like zinc. So even though you're taking it, your body may not actually be using it effectively. Studies show that synthetic zinc absorption can be as low as 20 to 30%, meaning most of it passes through unused. Natural food sources, on the other hand, are absorbed much more efficiently because they come with enzymes, fats, and cofactors your body recognizes. But the real issue goes deeper than zinc. It involves your blood vessels. Inside every vessel is a thin lining called the endothelium. This layer plays a critical role in releasing nitric oxide, the molecule responsible for relaxing arteries and allowing strong, healthy blood flow. As men age, this system weakens, inflammation increases, and nitric oxide production declines. That's when circulation becomes sluggish and performance starts to suffer. Zinc alone doesn't repair this system. What your body really needs is support for blood vessels, hormone balance, and nighttime recovery. And this is where simple foods make a powerful difference. Researchers found that certain nuts, when eaten consistently, and especially in the evening, support multiple systems at once. Cashews, walnuts, and pumpkin seeds each play a different role, and together they create a strong natural foundation for recovery. Cashews help support hormone balance. They provide zinc in a natural form that's easier to absorb, along with magnesium and healthy fats. They also contain arginine, which supports nitric oxide production. This combination helps your body maintain better hormonal function and improved circulation over time. Soaking them before eating can improve absorption even further. Walnuts are powerful for circulation. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help keep blood vessels flexible and reduce inflammation. Better vessel flexibility means better blood flow, more oxygen delivery, and improved overall performance. They also contain antioxidants that protect the inner lining of your arteries, helping them function more efficiently as you age. Pumpkin seeds support prostate health and sleep quality. They contain natural compounds that help reduce prostate-related discomfort and improve bladder function, which can lead to fewer nighttime interruptions. They're also rich in magnesium, tryptophan, both of which support relaxation and deeper sleep. And when your sleep improves, your body's ability to repair and restore itself improves as well. Timing is where everything comes together. Eating these foods in the evening allows your body to use their nutrients during the night, when repair processes are most active. This includes hormone regulation, blood vessel recovery, and overall cellular repair. A simple routine can make a difference. Finish your dinner a couple of hours before bed. Then about 30 to 60 minutes before sleeping, have a small portion of these foods. A handful of soaked cashews, a few walnuts, and a spoonful of pumpkin seeds is enough. You can eat them as they are or blend them into a light drink if you prefer something easier to digest. Consistency matters more than quantity. You don't need large amounts. You need a steady routine that supports your body over time. Within the first couple of weeks, many men notice better sleep and more stable energy. Over the next few weeks, circulation improves and overall vitality starts to feel more natural again. It's important to remember that this approach supports your body, it doesn't replace medical care. If you have underlying health conditions or take medications, especially blood thinners, it's always best to speak with your doctor before making changes. Your body is capable of recovery, even after 50, but it needs the right support at the right time. Small daily habits, done consistently, can lead to meaningful long-term improvements. Start simple, stay consistent, and pay attention to how your body responds.